This to me is the line in the sand between sanity and insanity. Whether we can reverse course on Senate Bill 5599 and reverse course on this erosion of parental rights in our state. But it really, I think, is about more than that. It's certainly about more than that to me. It is about whether we want to be a state where the laws are reasonable or a state where the laws are unreasonable. And I've said that I believe is the true divide in this state and in this nation. It's not Democrats versus Republicans. It's reasonable versus unreasonable. Senate Bill 5599 is an unreasonable law by any common sense standard. There is no reason that physical abuse in a home should be equated to a parent who has concerns or questions about health care that their child wants to receive, that their minor child wants to receive. And there is no reason, short of physical abuse, that the state should be hiding kids from their parents. I'm concerned that this is a slippery slope if we don't stop Senate Bill 5599 now. I'm concerned that we could then move forward and pass laws like they have in Oregon, where loving foster parents can't adopt kids because they don't agree with their stated gender ideology. Or like the law that's been proposed in California, where if you as a parent do not affirm your child's desired gender, that ultimately your child could be taken away from you in a custody hearing. That's not right. And that's the slippery slope that we're talking about. So in this line between sanity and insanity, I think this is a big part of the fight. Can we get enough signatures for Referendum 101 to put Senate Bill 5599 on the ballot? And if we can get enough signatures, can we convince the common sense center in Washington state to do what's right, to stop this dangerous policy in its tracks, and to put the majority party in Olympia on notice that these sorts of laws that erode the rights of loving parents are not going to be tolerated. So I said we have set a very lofty goal of 1,000 signatures during our event in Enumclaw. I have faith that we can beat it. If you have been upset by this bill, if you've been upset by the erosion of your rights as a parent in Washington state, and you have not signed Referendum 101 yet, you're running out of time to do it. This is the last meet and greet that we're going to do. I hope you take an opportunity to stop by, to sign it, to grab a spare form, to bring to your family and friends. Set the course, a better course for parents in this state, better course toward sanity, toward reason. And I think that getting R101 qualified for the ballot is a really good step in that direction.